Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a critical aspect of steel detailing quality assurance, or QA. I'm going to walk you through a 23-point checklist that'll help you ensure your models are accurate, efficient, and error-free. Let's get started. First up, grout hole requirements. Verify that grout holes are included in the model where needed for connections, and double-check the size, location, and quantity as per specifications are seen. Next, let's talk about hole drill bit availability. Make sure the specified drill bit sizes are readily available and compatible with your fabrication equipment. Shim type is another crucial point. Confirm you're using the correct type of shims, whether they're finger shims, shims with holes, or something else, and make sure they're modeled correctly. Field clearance is essential. Ensure the model accounts for adequate clearance for erection and welding. You don't want any surprises on site. Erection, feasibility is next. Check for any potential erection challenges in the model and adjust as needed. Welding access, can't forget this one. Make sure there's enough access for welding in the model. Grade of GA material. Confirm the correct grade of materials is specified for all general arrangement drawings. Don't overlook material remarks. Make sure all necessary remarks are included, such as buyout, galv, cut from, rolled bent, etc. Material coatings. Ensure materials with different coatings aren't attached to each other in the model. Hole size for post-installed anchors. Double-check the hole sizes in steel members when using post-installed anchors. Bent plate radius and width. Verify that the radius and width of bent plates are modeled accurately. Existing members. Turn on the check function to verify the model against existing members, if applicable. OSHA requirements are key. Ensure compliance with OSHA, including checks for sharp edges, tripping hazards, and safety holes. Joist connections. Verify these are detailed correctly according to SJI specifications. Bridging connection to wall, ER. Check the details here for accuracy and constructability. Deck supports. Ensure the model includes accurate details for deck supports. Weep holes. Verify the inclusion and placement of weep holes where required. Vent rigging holes. Check for vent rigging holes in galvanized members. Cantilever stability. Verify stability at all cantilever locations. Gusset plate length. Check the unstiffened length of gusset plates. Compliance with the 58 times thickness rule is crucial. Anchor stitch plates. Ensure a minimum of 2 anchors or 2 stitch plates where needed. Lifting hole nut. Verify lifting holes or nuts for easy handling and erection. Finally, air relief holes. Check for these in seal welded materials. By diligently following this 23-point checklist, you can significantly improve the quality and accuracy of your steel detailing models. Remember, consistent QA practices are essential for successful and efficient steel construction projects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more steel detailing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.